I got a box opening. I'm sort of excited, and a new project I'm starting. I know I got so many on the burners, but I'm working on them, and I'm getting really close to 3 or 4 of them, so I'm thinking that I'll start another one that I need for this summer. It's a gift coming up. But today's package is coming to me from, it's got Chuck on here, so it's got to be from Missouri Star. Can you see it? There you go. So we'll open this up. Oh boy, I remember I ordered this. This is a 1 yard of wrought iron. And I don't know why I bought it. I think it was because I needed to order just a little bit more to get free shipping. Have you ever done that? Let me get it open and show you. It's sort of a gray. I thought it would be good for a filler on any kind of a small pattern. Oh, it's sort of a navy blue. Let me show it to you. Can you see that okay? The lighting's not that good, but it's because the sun is flying in with one window over here and causing a lot of distortion on my light. So I got an Aurifil, and I need this because apparently this is the only thread that seems to want to work in my brother. And I haven't tried very many others, but this one works, whereas when I use these big giant threads from Missouri Star, they don't always work. I mean, the top thread gets all balled up. No, wait a minute, let me rephrase that. The top thread affects the bobbin, and so it's the bobbin thread that gets balled up when I use this on the top. Well, we'll wait and see. It probably needs servicing, but until then, I'll continue to use this guy. But this is the primary reason that I bought this package. It was, oh, and here's Chuck. Hi, Chuck. He is Flat Chuck, and he's got a block magazine that must be moving. They need to move their block magazines. So he's talking about block magazines. And this is that Canterbury that was on sale at the Missouri Star here recently, a couple days ago, I think it was. And let's open this up. I'll use my beautiful big purpley scissors. Maybe I'll use my big purpley scissors. It's called, oh, it's from Blank Printing. That's why the deal was so good. I think these were each, gosh, if I had to say it, doesn't say, there's no statement in there either. But they were a tremendous price. I know they were under 10. But I like those navy blue prints with peach in them, they're just sort of my favorite. So there's 3 or 4 of that main one. Let me show it to you. You see it? Isn't it beautiful? Ooh, there's 4 of them. Then there's a couple of these. 1, 2, 3 of these peach. Aren't those lovely? Now they're going into some sort of a burnt red. 3 of those. I sort of like having a variety, more than one of each one. What do you think? And this one's pretty. Sort of a tealy blue. And this is Canterbury by Blank Printing, which is Missouri Star's brand, I think. Here's the darker blue one. And there's actually 4 or 5 of those. And here's another one in that family of the burnt red. 3 of those. Sort of the color of my turtleneck. And then again, this unusual bluish aquamarine blue. And another of the little green paisleys. And this is sort of an avocado green. I don't know how it's going to show up on the camera, but it's definitely an avocado green. Now this one looks almost Asian. What do you think? Wonder what it is about that makes me think that. I don't know. And this is some stylized polka dots. And a meander type of a look. And here's the beige. All the rest are beige. So I sort of like that. You know, there's only really, let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 12 different kinds of fabric. And there's 42 pieces. So that means you get a lot of those really good ones and not so many filler ones that we could probably add to from our stash if we needed to. So I got 3 of those thinking that that would give me enough to really do something, you know, like make a bed-size quilt with some, you know, additional fabrics in my family of colors that I like. Peaches and navies and the rust reds. I like those. More peach. And that lovely avocado, heading towards avocado green. Well, what do you think? I wish I had the prices. Maybe I'll look up the prices and put in a little claimer, a little sign that says what the prices are. Because this was on one of their daily deals. The fabric feels pretty good. Of course, it's not as silky as Art Gallery, but what is? You know, I thought those Kim Deal's fabrics were very silky. These feel okay. All right, so that's my stash. Excuse me, that's my haul. And let me put those to the side. And I'll show you the project I'm working on. I decided to pull one of my projects off of the shelf that I've had for quite a while, actually, because I'm planning on having it done for this summer. And it's going to be this one, Adrienne's quilt. It's from Connecting Threads, and it's in purples. And a pretty green. There's a pretty green that it goes with. And a deep purple. No, lovely, rich colors. Then here's some of the cornerstones I think they're going to be. And a lavender one that's going to be, I think they go together to make borders. So I just cut the strips and then labeled them what they're going to end up being. And then there's even black. There's a black border that comes out. Where is that? Here it is. Beautiful tone-on-tone black. Looks like little flower bunches on black, but they're all black, black. And then, of course, we have a black with purple. And then I haven't cut out the white with, or the beige with purples accents yet, but that's coming. So I think that's going to be beautiful. It says a queen. And I like the colors, and I like that they're not knock you dead purples. They're just really lovely grouping of colors. Is that sort of what you like to look for too? Okay, so that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. Hope you have a good day. I'm headed out to be with grandchildren later today, so that'll be fun. And then I'm back to work on Monday. I've been off sick for about 3 work days for me, which is a whole week. And I can't wait to get back to work. Oh my gosh. Staying home is not fun. Unless that's what you like to do, of course. But for me, staying home means, oh, more housework. Oh, okay. All right. Well, thank you so much and have a lovely day. Okay, bye.